Welcome to JH. So, you're hunting for the best apps on the VSeeBox V6 Plus? Let me show you why this device claims to be a total game changer for streaming, assuming your current setup isn't already a dusty relic from the Stone Age. The V6 Plus arrives locked and loaded with 4 heavy hitters right out of the box. First up is Heat Live, serving up over 1,600 live channels including sports, news, and movies with zero extra fees. It's a great way to feel like you're winning at life without actually having to pay for cable. Next, we have Heat VOD, which is basically a massive digital library packed with over 80,000 movies and shows. You can watch whatever you want, whenever you want, which is perfect for those nights when you spend 3 hours scrolling just to end up re-watching the same sitcom for the 10th time. If you're feeling fancy, Heat Ultra offers a premium upgrade with better stream quality and exclusive content for your high-end movie nights. Then there's Live Ultra, which features a split-screen mode so you can watch 2 channels at once. It's a dream come true for sports fans who enjoy being twice as stressed during game day. The real kicker is that the V6 Plus runs on Android 14, giving you full access to the Google Play Store. Whether you want Netflix, YouTube in 8K, or Disney Plus, you just download them and sign in. Because clearly, we all need more subscriptions to lose track of. With 64 gigs of storage and 4 gigs of RAM, the device stays smooth even when you're aggressively switching between apps. It even supports power user tools like Kodi and Plex. If moving your thumb feels like too much cardio, the Google Assistant works like a charm. Just hit the voice button and tell the box what to find. It's basically a personal butler that doesn't judge your questionable taste in reality TV. Bottom line, the V6 Plus combines free live content with the freedom to add any service you already use. It's an all-in-one entertainment powerhouse that might actually make you leave the house less. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.